We're just starting the Black Elk Peak hike in South Dakota with Deborah and Curtis Reese.
My eyes are wide open. I see you clear. My toes touch the same floor our world has been shaking on. Oh, what's your soul saying? Oh, is your world changing? Oh, what's your soul saying? Oh, is your world changing?
So yeah, this trail's pretty cool. I'm excited to get to the top.
Tells me always things your mouth often spares, and I hope you know.
How do you feel so far, Mom?
So far, so good at 0.69 miles.
How's Kurt feeling?
Good, good.
All right, let's do it.
Oh, what's your soul saying? Oh, is your world changing? Oh, what's your soul saying? Oh, is your world changing? Oh, my eyes are wide open. I see you clear.
Mom, do you think you're gonna body slam a rock today for us on camera?
I hope not.
Our world has been shaken on. What's your soul saying? Oh, is your world changing? Oh, what's your soul saying? Oh, is your world changing?
We made it to the top of Black Elk Peak.
Yes, nice
I
breeze.
don't know. I'm
Just
not
wait
sure
t-
I could have made another mile up though.
Just wait
Going
till just wait till the hike down.
Yeah, we'll see how that goes.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon.